How to delete all chats on Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete all chats on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting all chats on Messenger is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is simply first of all launch the Messenger application and make sure that you're signed into the account. Now, if you go to a certain chat over here and then you simply go ahead and long press on it, you can simply delete the messages one after another. But if you would like to delete the whole chat itself, it's quite very simple. All you have to do is long press on a particular chat, then you'll find a pop-up where it says delete. So tap on the delete button there, and then just tap on delete this entire conversation. Once done, all the chats are going to get deleted. And that's all it takes to delete all chats on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.